Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a ClickUp account. So all you have to do is simply head over to the website clickup.com. And once you're here, you just want to ensure that you look to the upper right hand side. And once you're on the website, look to the upper right hand side and you'll find sign up. Simple click and sign up. Then enter your work email address. Then go ahead and click on next. Here you can continue and you can even sign in with your Gmail address or continue with your details. In my case, because I'm using a Google account just to sign up, I'm going to just simply choose continue with Google, my Gmail there. But you can go ahead and you can fill in the steps, the name, etc. from as you saw previously. But I'm going to just choose Gmail for the purpose of this tutorial. Now you want to go ahead and answer a few questions, right? What would you like to use ClickUp for? I'm going to just say for personal for the moment here. What would I like to manage? In this case, I'm going to just say IT. Then I'm going to choose, for example, how did you hear about this? I'm going to just say YouTube as an example. And here you can go ahead and invite someone. You don't have to at the moment. You can just simply click on next if you like to. And also you'll have options to basically connect a few tools. So if you have things such as Teams, Zoom, Dropbox, Notion, and so forth, you can go ahead and do that. Later on, I'm going to show you how. But for now, I'm going to just choose, for example, connect, for example, Google Drive. Right, the rest we can go ahead and I'm going to show you another way how to connect these in future videos. But from here, I'm going to go ahead and just simple click on next. Here it asks what kind of features would you like. You can go ahead and you can just choose a few things. It's really up to you. You will always have the option to add more later. So just go ahead and choose, for example, calendar. You can say chat, you can say workload and AI and whatever. You just go ahead and choose what you want, right? As I said, later you can always go ahead and add these, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on next here. Now it comes on to the section where you're going to create your workspace. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to just leave this as is, but you can change it and create your workspace with a name you desire from here. And all you have to do afterwards is click and finish. Now, ClickUp is going to take a few minutes just to quickly create and formalize your account. And so you will see that in a second, your ClickUp account and your dashboard will load and it will look just like how you see mine quickly loading here. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So it's going to quickly add all of those tools as you can see here. And that's pretty much it. Now you're greeted here with a video. You can go ahead and you can watch this, or you can just simply click it off and explore if you're not new to ClickUp, right? So if you're new, I want to recommend that you watch that video so that you can learn a little bit more about how ClickUp works and what it is used for, so you can have a better understanding of ClickUp. But that's all there is to it, guys. As you can see, my ClickUp account is ready to start working with projects, invite people, explore it, and that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.